I can give for your birthday also. First person to help me now.
Hello, I am Rotarian Tanvi Sawant. I am the President of Rotary Club of Panji Riviera. Firstly, I would like to congratulate and wish our dear Gauri Shankar a very happy birthday. And it is a wonderful initiative that he's been doing this for more than 30 years on his birthday, having a blood donation drive, eye donation drive. Sorry. Hello everyone, I am Rotarian Tanvi Sawant. I am the 21st President of Rotary Club of Panji Riviera. Firstly, I would like to congratulate and wish our very dear Gaurish Bap a very happy birthday. May God bless him with lots of happiness, good health. He's been doing this for more than 30 years, having a blood donation drive along with a health checkup camp. This initiative of his is not only getting the Rotary Parivar of Panjim together, but the entire Panji community comes together for this. It is a great initiative, and I wish the entire Don family lots of good health, happiness and prosperity, and we are always there to support. Thank you so much for this.
Okay, apart from this blood today which is having camp, you also Rotarians also have a lot of projects that you take up for the benefit of the
Yes, so we have various avenues of service under which we work. We have various focus areas. So we have health camps across different avenues. Say if it is a health camp for senior citizens, we do health camps for orphans, health camp for old age homes, whether it is for hearing, whether it's a blood donation drive. We are just going to have a skin camp for senior citizens. We also do a lot of programs for children with disabilities. Our focus is also going to be giving financial independence to women, underprivileged women in the state of Goa. And there are a lot of other community-based programs that we do for schools, which includes creating of happy schools, where we build gender-based toilets, we give them green boards, e-projectors, washing stations, safe drinking water. So there are a lot of initiatives that Rotary takes up during the year.
Today we are conducting blood donation camp on the occasion of Mr. Gaurish Dawn. This is the 35th camp. We are getting a good response every time, and we expect today's camp also will get good response. What we have seen is the blood bank need a lot of blood, and need for the blood has been increasing every year. This type of camp help us to store blood in GMC blood bank, and whenever a needy patient comes in casualty or whenever any emergency comes, we issue this stored blood to them. Also, while conducting blood donation camp, we issue a card to donors. So the same card can be used anytime in lifetime to anyone of their friends or family. I request all the people who are above 18 and those between 18 to 60 who are healthy to kindly come and donate blood whenever there is a blood donation camp. We conduct almost last year we conducted 318 camps, and our target this year is 360 camp. So I request all the youth and all the people who are healthy to kindly come and donate whenever there is a blood donation camp held in the any part of Goa.
Per year you said is 60 camps.
Per year we have 300. Last year 318 camp. This year the target is 360 camps. Yeah.
Doctor, what do you say regarding the requirement that frequently you face in the GMC? What is that fresh blood?
Yeah. Now what happened? We are collecting blood and separating in three components. Basically three components. One is RBC, second is platelet, and third is plasma. Now plasma can be used can be stored for 1 year. Platelet 5 days and RBC 35 to 42 days, depending on the anticoagulant we use. Now this, whenever the off season, like in May to August, we have shortages because of the many institutions, education institutions are closed down. So that time we come across the shortages. Also now what happened, we are in GMC conducting heart surgeries and they require fresh bloods. So for those patients we have to ask for donors 1 day in advance. Otherwise from our whatever we have stock, we provide every patient who are needing blood in emergency.
You are getting this from the fresh
Stocks.
the fresh donors you get.
Yeah, we get fresh donors from the. We request relatives of the patient to arrange, and also from our part also we arrange at least 1-2 donor help by organizing 1-2 donor for them.
जायते पावटी लोक येवंक सोदतात फ्रेश त्यांना बँक ब्लडान वच ते दितले तुमचे कितें सांगता फ्रेश ब्लड इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर
We require only certain condition fresh donor. Otherwise, we have stored blood in blood bank. So that is we are capable to give all the patient, but only whenever the fresh blood or any rare group like A negative, B negative, AB negative, Bombay group. Here there is not enough stock in the blood bank. So that time we might like to mobilize more people to come and donate of those group.